Hello, all of my lovelies. It's Melissa from the Turtle Nail Salon. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Before I get started, I'd like to ask if you enjoyed this video to give it a thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel, and to ring the bell. That way you'll always know about new content. I am starting off this haul video with a Koko and Claire purchase. I picked up all of their alcohol inks and I'm just showing off the packaging. And then I am just in warp speed going to unpack this order. I picked up the clear blending fluid, white and black. And then I picked up the neon collection, which includes pink, coral, yellow, green, metallic blue, and purple. And I think this is the winter collection, but please don't quote me on that. And the following four colors are all metallic: white, champagne, teal, and silver. And then I also picked up the fall collection, and all of the fall collection except for one color is metallic, which I will indicate. So I've got black and rose gold, grape and raspberry, blue, that one is not metallic, red, and orange. And then from Creata Beauty, I picked up some Ugly Duckling Clear Sculpting Gel, some of the primer, and the brush-on glue. I also picked up these Light Elegance round bottom flask pumps, and I'm going to tell you they are worth the investment because I have probably spent what these three cost over the years in replacing the plastic Menda type pumps. And from Amazon, I picked up the Savaland gel paint and nail art brushes. I had been in the market for some gel paint for a little while for doing the character nail art on tips. And I found this and I'm really happy with it. It comes with 12 colors, including a nude, a silver, and a gold, and they are so well pigmented. At first, some of the colors I was like, okay, this is like super runny, but they still were just really pigmented, and they all came sealed like this. And then I picked up these e-file bits as well because I dropped one of my bits down the bathroom drain sink, which made me really sad, so just got some replacements. And then from ESP, I picked up the C&D Shellac Fall 2022 collection in Fall Bloom. That is what the colors look like. I do have a swatch video that is probably out already or coming out right away. So if it's already out, I'll include it in the information down below. And then I ordered from Glitter Mix Canada for the very first time ever. And I was super impressed with the items that came in my order. And then Suki sent me some freebies as a thank you for my order. So I got this citrus butterfly glitter. It is so cute, little butterflies, and I believe there was some little dots in there. And then I got some Donald Duck and Daisy Duck decals. Item is Nail Decorations 5. And then I picked up some Christmas decals. This first one is SD38. And then SD48. And these Grinch ones, SD47, SD50, SD49. Like, how cute are these? I can't wait to use them. And then I picked up these cat ones, SD205. And then I picked up the following snake skins in a 6-pack. So I don't have the item number, but you can also find these individually on the website. So I've got white, rose gold, holographic pink, rainbow, gold, and black. And it's hard to see in this picture, but there is a little bit of holographic. And then I grabbed these ones as well because there was a mix of hearts and snakes and, well, really a little bit of everything. And it's SD18. And then I picked up some snake skin strips as well as little snakes, SD185. And some red and black dragons, SD182. And then I got these water marble decals, SD129. SD136, and then the following swirls. I love these. These are going to be so much fun, and they are so versatile. SD167, SD168, SD166, and then some Disney decals. I've got Stitch SD90, Mickey and Minnie SD74, Tinkerbell SD80, and Princesses SD87, and Donald Duck and Daisy Duck SD85. And then I got some food themed decals, so some oranges SD142, some avocados and kiwi, SD143. Some strawberries, SD144. And then I got a whole bunch of flower decals, SD177, SD137. These ones will be great for milk bath nails. I can't wait to try them. And SD157. And then 2 sets of hydrangea, SD158, SD159, and then these gorgeous butterflies, SD23, SD154, and SD22, and it's like a mix of some butterflies and wildlife. I really like it. And then I've got some Happy Suns, SD145, Sailor Moon, SD93, Hello Kitty, SD86, and Powerpuff Girls, SD94, SD96, and SD95. And then for Valentine, I have SD1, SD8, SD7, and these wedding ones, SD2. And for Easter, I picked up SD58, SD59, SD60, and for fall, SD21, SD13, SD30, and SD14. And for Halloween, SD31, SD25, and SD42. And I forgot to put in at the beginning of the Glitter Mix Canada haul that Suki also gave me some flower foil to use. And I don't know what the item number is, but I'm sure if you search the website, you'll be able to find it. All right, well, thanks for watching my video today. Have yourself an amazing day. Bye.